In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to play the Sicilian Scheveningen opening on chess.com. So the first thing that you'd like to do, of course, is just go and open whatever browser you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. Here in my case, I'm actually using Brave. But of course, in your case, you can use any other browser could be possibly working for you in your PC. Once you open that browser, make sure to go to this URL section and simply type chess.com and hit the enter button, and that should take you into this page. Of course, if you have an account, you can simply go and click on this login option on this left panel, and here you can enter your username or email, password, and check this remember me if you don't want to log in anymore. Of course, you can even log in with your Apple account, Google account, or Facebook account if you don't want to go through all the boring steps of creating or logging into your account. Or if you don't have an account, you can simply go and click on sign up from here or sign up from here. Both will take you to this page. And here, of course, you'll just have to choose a username, email, enter an email password, and simply click at sign up. Of course, you'd like even to choose your chess skill level, new to chess, beginner, intermediate, or advanced. And also, you can sign up with Apple, Google, or Facebook, like login if you don't want to go through all the boring steps of signing up. So once you're logged in into your account or you just created your account, you'll find yourself here in this home screen or the main screen of the chess.com. So as I said in the beginning of this series, I would like to show you how to play the Sicilian Scheveningen opening. And of course, I will just get on a board to show you how to do it. So of course, the Sicilian Scheveningen. So the opening starts with white playing e4, responded by a c5 by black. Now white play knight to f3, responded by black playing d6. Now white play d4, responded by black playing pawn eats pawn on d4. Now whites capture back this pawn on d4, and now black plays the knight to f6, attacking this pawn on e4. Now white plays knight to c3, responded by an e6 on black. Of course, now white play bishop to e2, the white bishop, responded by a bishop to e7 by black. Now, of course, white castles as well as black. And now white plays this move f4. Plays this f4 moves, responded by a black playing knight to c6. And the last two moves on this opening is king to h1 by whites, responded by a bishop to d7 on black. As you can see here, opens Scheveningen here, so that's the opening. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching and goodbye.